This past Thursday, the candlestick signals gave us a good indication there was going to be a pullback. When we started seeing dojis up in the overbought condition, if we started seeing selling, where was our likely target? Back to the T-line. What did we need to see the next day to make sure we weren't going back to the 50? It needed to open positive and trade positive. When it did, it gave us more vital information that the T-line was acting as support, the uptrend was in progress. Now the formation is a J-hook pattern, which tells us there should be more upside going up toward the 200-day moving average, up another few hundred points. The NASDAQ provided the same visual prospects. That when we started seeing a doji and then a shooting star that failed at the 50, notice when they pulled back right to the T-line. The next day it opened positive. Had it opened lower, that meant there was more profit taking, maybe coming back down to the 20. When they opened it positive and traded positive, that did what we call the bobble, where they hit the resistance level, bobbled back to the T-line, came back up through, told us they were going to the next moving average, which was the 200. It almost touched it today, with stochastic still heading up. So tomorrow, even if the market trades positive, you want to be very conscious of what it does here at this moving average. Our recommendation for BABA when it did the big left-right combo, first target was the 50. Simple analysis that if a resistance level is breached, they'll usually come back and test it as support, which they did on last week, and then bounced right off where the T-line and the 50 were, opened positive, and now trading positive. And I don't know why the 200 isn't. Oh, this is BABA. This makes our next target, if I can do this correctly, up here to the 200-day moving average. Will it get there? We don't know. But the prospect of wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3 being equivalent to wave 1 is very likely. That's what the J-hook pattern represents. Will it get here? We don't know. That's our target. Will it sell off before then? We use the candlestick signals to tell us when it's time to sell. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.